Every student faces the problem in memorizing the history dates. They find that the history dates are messing up with other dates as well. So here I am with a step-by-step method with which you can easily memorize the history dates without messing it up. So let's begin. Number 1. Group the dates into eras. First, divide the dates into eras like ancient, medieval or modern. Once you group the dates into the ancient, medieval or modern, it will be not confusing to you. Second, categorize the themes. Categorize the dates into whether it's wars, revolution or treaties, like treaties of Versailles or so on. So it will not going to be mess up with each other when you categorize them or group them. Third, convert the date into an image by using some memory technique, example pack system. Then create a story or rhyme of the image that you have created of the date. Then link the date to an image, example personal event or occasion. For example, the Bhagat Singh Shaheed on March and the Holi is also in March. Then you can connect both of them together to memorize it better. Last, repetition. You can revise the dates by using flashcard method or quiz method to have better recalls. By using this step-by-step guide, you can easily memorize the history dates. Don't forget to take the screenshot of this and write this in your notebook. And please do subscribe and share my channel.